As today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use an AI application to create images like this for free. To create images like this for free. So you can see how the picture was before, and this is what I use the AI application to turn the photo into. So if you check, even on the clothes of the picture, this is the person's name. His name is on the photo. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. So the application we are going to be using to do this prompting is Google Gemini. So you head to your Play Store, you can just search for Gemini, which is Gemini, then you search for it. So this is it, Google Gemini. So you install it. If you don't have it already, you install it. I already have it installed, so I'll just open it. So open it like this. For you to get access to that kind of prompt, you click on this create image. See that icon, that banana icon. Click on that option, create image. Then at the down part of the screen, you see a plus icon. Below describe your image, you see a plus icon. Click on it to bring the original photo into the AI. So I'm going to bring this. Let me check for that picture. So just stay with me. So this is the picture. So I add it. Then this describe your image. Describe your image. That's where you put the text prompt. That's where you're supposed to put the text prompt. So I already have the text prompt. I already have it. I copied it from Facebook. So I already have a text prompt. So let me copy it from here first before I show you how to get it. So this should be most of them. Okay. Okay, this is it. This is the prompt. So I'll copy it. I'll copy this prompt, then take it to the application, then paste it. So after pasting it, you click on this send icon at the right side of the screen. Click on this send icon and it will start. So this is from minimalist editorial studio photo shoot of me sitting casually on the floor. So stuff like that. So to just take few seconds, depending on your network speed, it will take few seconds. Then your image should be ready. So this is it. That's why it's facing up. The closest you can edit this prompt. You can edit this prompt like how I got that one. I edited the prompt. So instead of the face, there's a point here in the prompt where the face. Okay, this sit here. One knee is bent upward, and then I changed it from his face looking upward to his face looking to the camera. So that's how I was able to get that particular one. So another beautiful thing about this is that you can keep making changes to this particular image. Okay, like I can do change the clothes, change the clothes, change the clothes to blue color, or change the clothes to a blue color. So I'll send it. You just see. So depending on your network speed, it should take a few seconds to bring up the image. Depends on your network speed. So you can see can see. So this is how it was. This is how it is. So you can keep making changes. You can change. You can tell it to change the watch to a black watch. You can tell it to change the watch to a silver color kind of watch. You can edit it. Okay. So any changes you want, you can make it here. So just type whatever changes you want. Just type whatever changes you want, and then it will just affect the change. So how do you get this prompt? Actually, I need to tell you how do you get the prompt. So I'll go to Facebook because it's a trending effect, or is a trending AI stuff right now. So you go to search. So look at it. Just search for Nano Banana. That's the prompting style. Nano Banana. Then you scroll down. You see different images. You see different prompting that people are doing. So this is how I was able to get those my own prompt. This prompt I saved. This is where I got it from. So just scroll down to you see the type of prompt, or you see a particular way you want your own to look like. So this okay. I was able to get. I think I got one prompt from here. This laptop one I did that one. So just be going. Okay. So to create this to create this using Nano Banana, see prompt on comment section. So I'll go to the comment section. So you see the prompt: a confident young Nigerian man working stylishly outdoors. So I'll just copy the prompt. I'll just copy the prompt like this. Then I'll add my image. I'll add my image, the image I want to use. Shall be fast. That one will need to be very long. So add it. Then I'll paste the prompt here. Then send it. Just give it a few seconds. Give it a few seconds. Depending on your network speed, it doesn't take time. So that's it. So you just go to Facebook and search for Nano Banana. Then you go through the prompts that other people did. Then you can copy it so you can see just a few seconds. You can edit it. You can edit it to whatever style you want. You can decide to change the color of the clothes. You can change the watch. You can remove um, the gold chain on his neck. You can change the color of the shoes. You can change the shoe style. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So that this thing is being done. So the other things I even used it to do. So like this text you are seeing here, I was able to convert this flyer that is like this at the right top, at the left top. I was able to convert to use that Google Gemini to change it to something like this. So I asked the Google AI to change that bold text that is written to this text I wrote BBC 2025. Then I asked it to remove all those details, other details around it, and that's it. So I even use it to do something like this also. You can see something like this, a text effect. Normally, this text effect can take you up to 30 minutes to create something like this. But with the I just used it. I told it to change the text, the bold text effect that I told it to change it to this particular text, BBC 2025. And then I still asked it to remove those little write-ups around it. And this is the image. So whatever you can imagine, you can just use this AI to do it. If maybe you took a photo shoot in the studio, you can decide to change the clothes. You can decide to change the shoes, anything you can imagine. You just need to know how to write, how to prompt it. So you just need to know how to prompt it to give it your options. So that's it. That's it for the video. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. And then make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tutorials like this. Yes, this is Imacom Studio, and we are here to give you value for your time. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.